Who do I meet? What do I say? And how do I say it? Those are common questions many people ask at the beginning of their network marketing business. That is why I have released this powerful network marketing tool to help network marketers overcome this challenge. It is a book titled Network Marketing Basics 101. Who do I meet? What do I say? And how do I say it? Go to the following link to subscribe and claim your 35-page free PDF report right away. Recently, I visited the gas shop where I normally refill my gas in town. While the shop owner was filling the cylinder, the following conversation ensued. "Evans," he replied. "Sir, me, are you satisfied with this business?" He replied, "No." So I told him, if you discover another simple business that you can do without stress and without affecting this business that you are currently doing, would you be interested in it? Of course, the answer was an immediate yes. Then I went on to explain to him about my long-range network marketing business and how it can transform his life within 1 year or 2. His response was electrifying and he was ready to sign up immediately. You can do the same thing too. You will notice from the narration above that I did not visit the shop with the intention to prospect to him. I went to the shop with the sole aim of refilling my empty gas cylinder. So I appeared to him not as a salesman, but as someone who was offering him another lifeline opportunity to help him and his family overcome the harsh economic realities of our time. This is just one of the real-life scenarios that you discover in this powerful new ebook. You will also discover the following: why people say no to your network marketing business. The one thing to do that attracts lots of eager and enthusiastic prospects into your team organically. 3 simple things that you can do today to double the conversion rate of people who say yes to your network marketing business. How to convince someone to join your network marketing business. 2 real-life case studies of who to meet, what to say, and how to say it. How to develop an entrepreneurial mindset so as to help you succeed faster with your network marketing business, plus lots more. Honestly, this is one of the best network marketing reports for faster duplication you will read this year. So my team members are already getting remarkable results after reading this book. Yours cannot be an exception. But take note, this free PDF report will only be available for the next few days, after which you may not have access to it ever again. So you need to get yours while you still can. Go to the following link to get instant access to yours without